Bus services on main routes in Leeds are frequent and the city is well connected within West Yorkshire and further afield. There are plans to revolutionise the bus system by building 5 new corridors in key locations across the city. This is a positive feature of the city's integrated transport system, and routes will be introduced in stages with the aim of promoting more efficient, greener forms of transport. Improving the rail network is also one of the city's highest priorities, and the main train station is undergoing major works. They have installed a statement roof on the main concourse and transformed the entrance on New Station Street. Soon the station will have a new platform, a new track and an upgraded signalling system, thanks to a £161 million investment from Network Rail. This is the first step towards the delivery of the Leeds Integrated Station Master Plan, which will bring together the existing rail network, the Northern Powerhouse Rail Programme and proposed HS2 in a station designed to accommodate 60,000 travellers. However, Leeds is one of only 3 of the UK's 11 core cities without a tram system or underground, and is now the largest city in Western Europe without a built-in mass transit system. There are proposals to introduce some form of mass rapid transit system in the city by 2040, but for now the transport system is based around buses and trains, with many different transport operators involved. They have tried to overcome this problem with the introduction of the M card, a single way of paying for travel in the city on all forms of transport, and this has been a big step forward. The introduction of park and ride facilities at 2 locations in the city have also been very successful. Visitors and workers in the city centre can park for free on the outer edge of the city and enjoy fast and easy access to the centre by bus at reasonable prices. Cycling into the city is also easier than ever. The Leeds to Bradford Cycle Superhighway is a 23-kilometre segregated cycle route linking the 2 major cities and makes cycling a viable alternative to car travel. However, some criticism has been raised that there is too much reliance upon walking and cycling in the city centre. One glaring issue is that the main railway station and main city bus stations are 1 kilometre apart, and there is no clear and obvious transport service connecting them. It's a 13-minute walk, and with growing pedestrianisation there are concerns about how people will be able to cross the city centre quickly and effectively. Access to Leeds Bradford Airport by public transport is also a problem. Over 4 million people passed through Leeds Bradford Airport in 2018, and that number is expected to rise to 7.1 million by 2030. The decisions about improved public transport to the airport are ongoing, and, like all major transport developments in the city of Leeds, there is much discussion but not always progress in terms of change.